Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to share multiple contacts from your iPhone? I will show you an effective way to do it using a third-party app. Let's dive in. Unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for Groups app or any other similar app with good review and download it. Once the app is installed, open it and grant any necessary permission to access your contacts. Within the app, navigate to select contacts or similar option. Choose the contacts you want to share. Most apps will not allow you select multiple contacts at once. After selecting the contact, look for a share or export option. Choose your preferred method of sharing, such as email, message, or any other supported method. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the sharing process. The selected contact will be shared and sent as a file that the recipient can easily import. And that's it, guys. You successfully shared multiple contacts from your iPhone using a third-party app. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.